Ground shaking explained. Mastering English idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, ground shaking. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, and they can be quite fun too. Let's explore what ground shaking means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Ground shaking is an idiomatic expression in English that describes something very impactful or significant. It doesn't literally mean that the ground is shaking. Instead, it's used metaphorically to talk about events, news, or occurrences that are so important they metaphorically shake or change the current situation or people's perceptions. Understanding an idiom's origin can make it easier to remember. The phrase, ground shaking, likely originates from the literal experience of feeling the earth shake during events like earthquakes. These natural phenomena are powerful and leave a lasting impact, much like the metaphorical use of ground shaking in describing significant events in our lives. Let's see how this idiom fits into everyday language. For example, the CEO's resignation was ground shaking for the company. Discovering water on Mars was a ground-shaking moment in space exploration. These examples show how ground shaking can describe events that cause a big stir or lead to significant changes. When using idioms, it's easy to get confused. Remember, ground shaking is metaphorical and should be used to describe events or news, not physical experiences. Saying, "The concert was so loud, it was ground shaking," is not the correct use of this idiom. And that's a wrap on ground shaking. We hope this video has been informative and has added a fun, expressive idiom to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon, using idioms will be as easy as pie. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.